doing Halloween colours. So these are my colours that I will be doing today, but I'm going to be doing a white base instead of a black base. So my base will be Artist's Loft White, Permanent Blue Violet, Amsterdam Orange, Boyle Licorice Black, Amsterdam Yellowish Green, and DecoArt Stirling Silver. So those are my colours today. Okay, I just scraped all the paint off my table, and the colours, and it's made a pretty mauvey colour. That'll be used for another pour for a base. Good afternoon, thank you for joining me. I laid a mauve base, but I didn't quite like it, so I scraped it into here. Then I'm just going to layer some white. I'm going to put some purple to it. Then I may do a little bit of orange for Halloween colours, do a bit of the green, a little bit of the sterling silver, put a bit of sterling silver in there, and a bit more purple, orange, might do a touch of black, not much, and maybe a little bit more white. It'll sink to the bottom, as you know. A bit more green, black, and purple. So I'm just going to stream this across like a ribbon pour, and then we're going to tilt. And this okay, probably need a little bit more down the bottom, so I'm going to lay my white, my purple, orange, green. So this is going to be my Halloween pour. A bit more purple, maybe a little bit of black. So I might start down here. Okay, so I might tilt that, let that dry, and that will be my base to do another pour. So we're going to tilt down this way. You see that? And we're going to tilt back, back again, go down, whoopsie, and then down the other way. So I've got Halloween colours in here because it's Halloween. And bring it back again. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry. Okay, so this is my base. I will let that dry and then just come back for part 2, and when this dries we will do a Dutch pour on it. So they're pretty, got all the Halloween colours in there. I really like purple and mauve, so I only want it a bit subtle, the green and the orange and the black in there. There we go, it's quite pretty and sparkly. So that will dry, come back, and we will do the Dutch pour on the top. Thank you for joining me.